Hey guys, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and I want to show you another album that I made. This is a Folio album, and we've done this as a bonus project for my kit club. I come up with this Folio. My kit clubs, whenever we have scrap left over, I come up with a bonus project to help use up the scraps. So that's where this Folio came from. It is a Love for Memories Folio. And I used the new beautiful paper from Simple Stories. It is called the Heart Collection. Oh, it's beautiful. And then I used some of the plain basic cardstock that goes with it. Oh, if you guys haven't seen this, check it out. It is really, it's great for memories. It's wonderful. Okay, so this is a folio that I came up with. And this measures 9 by 10, and I'm guessing it's probably would hold close to 100 photos. It does have the Kraft-tex spine, okay, and the spine is 1 inch. There's the back, and that's the front. And I just used some of the embellishments from the collection to create this. Very cute paper. All right, let's dive in. So then I put these big photo mats, so you could put a 4x6 photo here, and then you could journal on the side. Here, I just have this picture. So you could put your picture here and journal here about, you know, what the pictures are about. Or, you know, you can put it this way, or you can put, you know, several little photos, or one big photo. You know, it's pretty versatile. Just because you have a photo mat this size doesn't mean that you have to put a photo that size. You know, break it up. You could put a photo here, and journal. Totally versatile. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So you have a pocket here, and a pocket here. And then this flips. Oops. Look at that. And this paper does have the gold foiling on some of it. Beautiful. So again, you know, you could put a photo, journal, or put a, you know, photo here, journal. And here is our waterfall. I know how you guys like your waterfalls, so I accommodated it with waterfalls. And then we have a pocket over here. Okay. That just closes up. So then we have this side here. Again, you have a pocket. And that flips. Beautiful paper, guys. Check it out. It's beautiful. I wasn't in camera. It's hard to keep in camera when it gets too long. Okay, then here again is our waterfall. Beautiful, guys. I hope you guys go to my website, scrappinitup.com with no G. You can pick up the tutorial for to learn how to make this. It includes the process videos, the cutting guide, and the written instructions. And it's not, you know, it's not a very expensive tutorial. You can learn how to make this. It's really a nice folio. All right. That is my album share for a Love for Memories folio. I hope you guys will go to my website and order it so you can make it. It's a very quick project. I mean, really, it only took me, I think, around 2 or 3 hours to create it. And then, you know, a few hours decorating it. So it could be a project you can complete, you know, in just a couple of days. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, thank you for all your support. And leave me a comment down below what you think of this. Okay, talk to you girls later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.